Hello, everyone, and a huge welcome to Mr. and Ms. English channel, your favorite place to practice and enjoy English. I'm Mr. English, Paul.
And I'm Ms. English, Emily. It's so wonderful to see all your smiling faces today. How are you all feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic, Emily, thank you. Especially because today we're talking about a topic that is a part of everyone's life.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Is it about food, travel, animals?
It's even more common than that. Today we are talking about our daily routines and hobbies.
Ah, of course. What we do every day and what we do for fun. That is a perfect topic for learning useful English.
Exactly. But before we dive in, if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, Mr. and Ms. English.
Yes! And don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with a friend who is also learning English. Your support helps us more than you know. Okay, Paul, are you ready to talk about our days?
I am absolutely ready. Let's get started.
So let's begin with the morning. Paul, what is the first thing you do when you wake up?
Well, the very first thing I do is open my eyes.
Laughs. Very funny, Paul. But after that?
Okay. Seriously, I usually turn off my alarm clock. Then I stretch my arms and legs. It feels good after sleeping.
Oh, that's a good habit. I do that too. Then, do you check your phone immediately?
That's a difficult question. Sometimes I want to, but I try not to. I think it's better to not look at a screen right away. Instead, I drink a big glass of water.
That is a very healthy habit. Water is important. My first thing is different. I always make my bed. Really? Every day?
Yes, every single day. It makes the room look tidy and it makes me feel good. It's a small win for the day.
A small win. I like that. Maybe I should start doing that too.
You should. It's easy. Okay, after that, what is your morning routine? Do you exercise?
Well, on perfect days, yes. I try to go for a jog or a run in the park 3 times a week. But to be honest, sometimes I'm too tired and I just do some light stretching at home.
I understand. It's not always easy. For me, I prefer exercise in the evening. My mornings are for preparation. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and then I choose my clothes for the day.
What about breakfast, Emily? I think breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
I agree 100%. I never skip breakfast. Usually I eat yogurt with fruits and some cereal. It's quick and healthy. What do you have for breakfast, Paul?
My breakfast is a bit different. I love a big breakfast. I often make scrambled eggs and toast. And on weekends, I make pancakes. But on weekdays, I just have cereal with milk because I'm in a hurry.
Pancakes. Now I'm hungry. Okay, after breakfast, it's time for work. Paul, do you work from home or go to an office?
I work from home most days. I'm a teacher, so I prepare my lessons online. My home office is my favorite room. What about you?
I go to an office. I'm a designer, so I commute to work by bus. It takes about 30 minutes. I usually listen to music or a podcast in English on the bus.
That's a great way to use your time. Listening to English every day is excellent practice.
Thank you. I think so too. Now let's talk about the middle of the day, lunchtime.
Ah, yes. I usually have lunch around 1 p.m. I often make a sandwich or a salad. Sometimes I have leftovers from last night's dinner.
Leftovers are the best, easy and delicious. I usually go out with my colleagues from work to a small restaurant near our office. We talk and laugh. It's a nice break.
That sounds like fun. My lunch break is quiet. I often watch a short video while I eat. Then, back to work.
Yes, back to work. The afternoon can be long. Sometimes I feel a little tired around 3 p.m. Do you have that feeling?
Oh, yes. That's very common. I call it the afternoon slump. When I feel that, I always make a cup of green tea and eat a small snack, like an apple or some nuts. It helps me.
Good idea. I just stand up and walk around my apartment for 5 minutes, or I open the window for some fresh air.
That's healthy. Okay, finally the workday finishes. What do you do after work, Emily?
This is my favorite time of the day. I finish work at 6 p.m. When I get home, the first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes, like sweatpants and a t-shirt.
Me too. It's the best feeling. Then, I usually relax for a bit. Maybe I watch TV or call a friend.
I usually start cooking dinner. I love cooking. It helps me relax.
Wonderful. What kind of food do you like to cook?
I like to try food from different countries. Last week I made Italian pasta. This week I tried to make a Thai curry. It was a little too spicy.
Laughs. I love spicy food. For me, I'm not a great cook. I often make simple things like grilled chicken with rice and vegetables. Or sometimes I order takeaway pizza.
There's nothing wrong with pizza. Okay, after dinner we enter the evening. This is when we enjoy our hobbies. Paul, what are your hobbies?
I have a few hobbies. My main hobby is photography. I love taking photos of nature, flowers, trees, birds. On weekends, I go to the park with my camera.
That's a beautiful hobby. You must have many nice pictures.
I do. I also like reading. I read books before I sleep. It helps my mind relax.
What about you? What are your hobbies, Emily?
My hobbies are a little different. I am a very creative person. I love drawing and painting. I have a small art studio in my home.
Wow, that is impressive. Do you paint with watercolors or acrylics?
Usually acrylics. I also like digital art on my computer. Another hobby of mine is learning languages. I am learning Spanish right now.
Muy bien. That's wonderful. Learning a language is a great hobby. It's good for your brain.
Thank you. Sometimes my hobbies mix. I listen to Spanish music while I paint.
That's a great idea. My hobbies are quieter. Sometimes I just listen to music or meditate for 10 minutes in the evening. It's very peaceful.
Meditation is excellent. I should try that. Okay, finally, our day must end. What is your bedtime routine, Paul?
My bedtime routine is simple. I wash my face, brush my teeth again, and I read my book in bed for about 20 minutes. Reading makes me sleepy. What about you?
Very similar. I also take a warm shower before bed. It's very relaxing. Then I write in my journal for a few minutes. I write about my day, what I did, what I'm thankful for. Then I try to go to sleep by 11 p.m.
A journal. That's a wonderful idea. I think I should try that. It's good to think about positive things before sleep.
It really is. Well, everyone, that was a look into our daily routines and hobbies. We hope you enjoyed it.
Yes. Now we want to hear from you. What is your daily routine? What are your hobbies? Please tell us in the comments below. We read every single comment.
And your homework for this week is to try and describe your day in English. You can talk to yourself in the mirror or write it down. Practice makes perfect.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us today on Mr. and Ms. English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
See you all next time. Bye for now.
Goodbye. Keep practicing.